Welcome back, Lug Nuts. Today we're going to be talking about the Boxer 2 and then comparing this bag to the Sprout, because you all know how much I love the Sprout, and the Sprout is one of the reasons why I never picked up the Boxer 2. So I'll be explaining all of that in this video so that you can decide whether or not you need the Boxer 2 in your collection. Now let's jump into it. So why didn't I want the Boxer 2 at first? That was harsh. I mean, it's not that I didn't want the Boxer 2, but when I saw the Sprout, I thought of it as a smaller Boxer 2, something that I could still use as a backpack and a travel bag without it being huge. Come to find out, the Boxer 2 is not as large as I thought it was going to be. The two bags are not interchangeable, and I should have gotten this a long time ago. However, they didn't have blue and black a long time ago, so I'm kind of glad I waited. These are going to serve two completely different purposes in my life. The Sprout is amazing. It's got a padded laptop sleeve. Two of the compartments have locking zippers, and the bag is really structured. Everything feels really safe in there. There's also lots of other little pockets I could fit other odds and ends. And the Boxer 2 would be my ultimate all-in-one duffel. I might even go as far to say I would use this as a piece of luggage if I didn't want to use a roller bag. This has a lot of capacity. I also really like that it has the ventilated compartment. So these two front pockets I assumed would be kind of difficult to get into. They don't look like they have much of a gusset. I felt like they were gonna be really flat against the bag and I was gonna have to like scratch the zipper against my nails trying to get stuff in and out, but really, super easy. And then this one is RFID protected. These two zippers lock together, which means you could put a lock on the front of your bag right here, and the stuff inside these pockets won't be able to get unzipped while this is on your back. This is also a nice roomy pocket right here that has a hidden magnetic closure. It's gonna run the length of the bag all the way down to the bottom. No dedicated cell phone pocket. Just kidding. It's got a zip one. The Boxer 2 is going to come with a crossbody strap. The Sprout does not. But if you remember from my Sprout video, I showed you how you can attach a crossbody strap if you've got the right kind. I'm going to link that video down in the description. The cargo pockets are very roomy. If they're coming across as a little bit shallow, it's only because it's in contrast to how large the bag is. They don't have the hidden magnetic closure. So we knew this was gonna fit. And we knew this was gonna fit. What about a whole wine goblet? Now yes, this is gonna take up a lot of room, but the Boxer 2 can accommodate that. And the great thing about the small chuggy is that it falls right below the crossbody strap. If the sound of clicking gets on your nerves, your crossbody strap is not gonna be hitting the side of the bottle because it rests right beneath it. So it's got two cargo pockets. The grab handles on top are different than the one on the Sprout. So in the Sprout, you get one grab handle. It's going to be very shallow, but you can't really wear this over your arm. It's meant to be held onto. The Boxer 2, however, if you want to wear this over your arm, that's another option. Another thing I want to mention when you actually have this in backpack mode, because it might save you like an entire 2 minutes of your life if you realize that you don't like how this handle looks. When you have the straps out, if this handle is above the backpack straps, like it is right now, when you have this on as a backpack, this handle is going to stick up in the air. So what you can do to lay this down is just thread the straps through it. If you don't mind this being against your back, I personally don't find it to be uncomfortable, and I would rather it be here than sticking up behind my head. It's kind of weird. The ventilated compartment. That's about how much room you have here. A great thing about this shoe compartment is that it's really not just for shoes. This is all mesh right here, which means it's breathable. And all this fabric won't just be sitting loose inside of the bag. After you zip this up, open the bag and tidy it up with a little strap, and then it'll be like it's not even there. That was also very easy to do one-handed. The bottom is wipeable. It has 4 plastic feet, and the feet on this guy are huge. And the Sprout got the standard size feet. I feel like I'm just making up terms at this point. This has to be my favorite part right here. There's all kinds of things going on. There's an attached key clip. Next to that, there are 2 pen slots. And next to that, there's a soft-lined cargo pocket. And that, to me, all in one area like that, is very exciting. I'm not gonna try to show you the main interior from this angle. You'll see it in the comparison video. And speaking of the comparison, let's go ahead and get into that.
So if you're choosing between the Boxer 2 and the Sprout, you're not really choosing which bag you want. You're choosing which pocket configuration you want, because at the end of the day, these bags are very similar in size. They each have 2 side cargo pockets, and they can each convert into backpacks. When it comes to your backpack straps, either way you're getting padding, and they'll both roll up the same way. But you get thicker straps that are contoured with the Sprout. There is no anti-slip grip on the underside of either bag's backpack straps, but the underside of the Sprouts has mesh netting, which makes them a little more breathable. Each of these bags has a trolley strap so that you can put them on top of a roller bag, and they're going to have a piece of Velcro on the underside to help keep them in place. Here is a closer look at the pocket I said was my favorite. It has the built-in key clip, 2 pen slots, and a soft-lined cargo pocket. So we went over the grab handles a little already. Both of these are very comfortable to hold on to. They each have anti-slip grip and feel very solid. With the Boxer 2, you get a crossbody strap that is removable, and with the Sprout, you get 2 shoulder straps that are also removable. You'll have one that attaches to the back of the bag, and a second that will attach to the front of the bag. The crossbody strap on the Boxer 2 also comes with a removable padded slider. You're going to get very roomy cargo pockets no matter which you pick up. The Boxer 2 might have a little bit more space than the Sprout. When you're ready to start packing these bags, the first thing you do is push down the attached board on the bottom, and that is what gives the bags structure. In the Boxer 2, you get 2 privacy zip pockets. Beneath one is your ventilated compartment, and beneath the other are 2 stretchy cargo pockets. In the Sprout, you get a clear view pocket that is divided down the middle, and beneath that 2 cargo pockets, and on the opposite wall, 1 privacy zip pocket. And remember, you don't have to use the ventilated compartment for shoes. You could use it for an accessory. And here is the mini trolley in each bag for a size reference. So yeah, the Boxer 2 has that cool ventilated compartment, but what about the Sprout? Well, the Sprout has a padded laptop sleeve with locking zippers. It also has a second pocket in the front, which is the same size as the padded laptop compartment, and then the main compartment also has locking zippers. These bags each have their own unique and awesome features, which is why I said you're not really choosing your bag, you're choosing your pockets.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to LugNut TV. But before we go, I'm going to show you what the Sprout and Boxer 2 look like while I've got them on.